What are the key regulations for electrical safety compliance in the U.S.? In today's fast-paced world, electrical safety compliance is more important than ever. With recent discussions around workplace safety and new technologies, understanding the regulations is essential. Many people are searching for what it takes to ensure safety in electrical work. Let's break down the key regulations that shape electrical safety compliance in the United States. First, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration sets standards for workplace safety, including electrical safety. These standards are found in Title 29 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 1910, Subpart S and Part 1926. Subpart K. These rules apply to general industry and construction, covering safe work practices, equipment use, and training requirements. Noncompliance can lead to significant penalties, but recent updates provide more flexibility for small businesses to correct hazards quickly. Next, we have the National Electrical Code, published by the National Fire Protection Association. This code is widely adopted across the United States and provides detailed requirements for electrical installations in buildings. It is updated every 3 years, reflecting current technology and safety practices. Compliance with the National Electrical Code is typically enforced at the state or local level through building codes. For utilities and broadband providers, the Federal Communications Commission regulates access to utility poles. Recent guidance clarifies that pole owners cannot deny access to new attachers, such as internet service providers, based on pre-existing safety violations caused by others. If a safety issue exists due to an older violation, the pole owner must resolve it during the make-ready process. In addition to federal rules, states and municipalities often have their own electrical codes. These may adopt the National Electrical Code with amendments or add unique requirements. Local authorities commonly conduct inspections and issue permits for electrical work. Organizations like the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and the International Electrotechnical Commission publish standards that influence practices in the United States, especially for equipment design and testing. While not legally binding, these standards are often referenced in contracts and specifications. The regulatory environment is not static. For example, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration has revised its penalty guidelines to support small businesses and encourage faster hazard correction. Internationally, the United Kingdom is preparing amendment to its wiring regulations, which will address new technologies like lithium-ion batteries and power over Ethernet. Similar updates may eventually influence United States standards as technology evolves. For electrical engineers, it is essential to follow the Occupational Safety and Health Administration standards for workplace safety, including proper training and equipment use. Design and install systems according to the latest National Electrical Code and any applicable state or local codes. Stay informed about Federal Communications Commission rules if working with utility poles or telecommunications infrastructure. Monitor updates from standards organizations for emerging technologies and best practices. Ensure all work is inspected and permitted as required by local authorities. Electrical safety compliance requires attention to detail and awareness of both long-standing rules and recent updates. By following these regulations, electrical engineers help ensure safe, reliable, and code-compliant systems.